Wait, does he have a dimple on both sides or just that one?
Colin doesn't just have it on one. They both have just the one, and it's the opposite side of Tim's one.
That's so funny.
Are you taking your table? Oh, you are so smart, buddy. Good job.
I'm telling you, we're going to have a lot of material when y'all are 16.